Hey, Gid, what is that? You want to shake it again? Shake it.
What is this, Ez? What does it sound like? Yeah. It's Go-Go's. Go-Go's. Oh. And even got a card, too.
You gotta skip the card. What is that, Gid?
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look.
Is that Go-Go's?
Go-Go's.
Legos! Yeah! All right. Can you, hey Caleb, can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Caldwell? Say thank you. Say thank you, Ezra. Say thank you, Gideon. Hey Gideon, say thank you. Very good.